Just a second. We need to answer questions on Mr. Excel. This is Mrs. Excel. No, it's not Mrs. Excel. This is Mrs. Spraps. Anyway, I decided to start going on Mr. Excel and answering questions because my skill is just too beneficial for society to keep all to myself. So go to the website where we can show the question. The guy wanted to ask about, scroll up a little bit. He's got a data set here, and he wants to format it so that duplicate client numbers show up in red like they do here. He did it manually, and all the way down they show in red, yet duplicate years, because he wants to notate when the client number and the year are the same year. He wants this to be green, which I don't know how colorblind this camera is, but that is a little green there. And he wants to write a formula that can do that. And I immediately thought of an interesting idea. And if we go to the Excel file, honey, I'll show you how to do it. Okay, here's what we did. Basically, we did two conditional formatting cells. One for he uses the COUNTIF function. I used a variation on the COUNTIF function by creating a new little column that helps us out. Can you unhide what's between B and D, honey? You got to click on B through D, like highlight both of them, and then right-click on the combined highlight that you created. Beautiful. I created a cell here. Can you click in the cell, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 2007 one? The pink one, C2? Can you click in C2? You'll see it's a formula equals A2 and B2, which means you put the two together because you're creating a unique string of record between the client number and the unique year. That's how you know you've got a duplicate double record here. This is really common when it comes to identifying duplicates among several different fields. So we just put them together like that, and if that string shows up more than once in that column, then you know you got a duplicate, right? So I made a little conditional formatting formula in cell B4. I went into B4. Honey, can you click in B4 in 2004 right there? Then you're going to go up top and you're going to go to conditional formatting right there. And you're going to go down to manage rules. And here's the rule. This is what the little code was. It says equals COUNTIF, and I want you to open that up. Click on that bar there and press edit rule, honey. Click on the formula equals COUNTIF, the green bar. Click on the green bar. Yeah. And go to edit formula or edit rule above. Yep. All right, the formula is written here. It's equals COUNTIF $C to C, which means I grab the whole column C, because that's where all this stuff is happening is in column. No, sorry, that's where the count function is related to. We're messing around in that column. That's our new column we created with our combo of client number and nth year. So we're saying, look in that column C. Look in this column. If you find a double occurrence, which is, C1 is C right over here. If you find a double occurrence of the cell in column C in that whole column, then you need to make this thing green with white font, which means, greater than 1, make it green with white font, and press OK. And we applied it to the whole column B. As you can see, it's applied to B to B. So that's the way we do things around here, all the way up and down. And voila, you can see this guy goes green and the other ones don't, because they're unique year and client number records. So there you go, under 4 minutes. Thanks, honey. You got anything to say? No.